DNA Tinashe Mugabe speaks on qualifications allegations. Global DNA Zimbabwe, hereinafter referred to as the company, has noted with concern the press release issued earlier by the Medical Laboratory and Clinical Scientists Council Zimbabwe, hereinafter referred to as the Council. Firstly, the company would like to reassure our stakeholders and clients that we are an upstanding and ethical business and we operate within the legal parameters of Zimbabwean law. Global DNA is a legally registered entity in Zimbabwe. We urge the general public to disregard the false news in circulation concerning our operations being banned. In the interim, Global DNA also would like to dispel the rumors that we have been banned from operation. We received communication from the Council dated September 17, 2021, and we are in communication with the Council to provide the necessary documentation they have since requested. We also would like to highlight that at the time of issue of the press release, there was no prior communication or consultation with the Global DNA team, and we strongly believe this issue would have been resolved without causing unnecessary alarm within the general public. We also would like to take this time to reassure all our clients of the legality and accuracy of obtained DNA results. As such, we would like to notify our stakeholders that we are seeking legal recourse and we will issue a detailed press statement in due course.